There are 6 types of volcanoes: fissure volcano, shield volcano, volcano dome, ash cinder volcano, composite volcano, caldera volcano. Fissure volcano. Basilica magma, low in silica, low in gas. Fissure. Divergent plate boundaries, soft basilica lava slope, middle ocean ridges, Iceland, Azores. Here are some examples of the fissure volcanoes. Shield volcano. They're basilica magma, low on silica, low to high on gas. They're effusive eruption with lava fountains at the hot spots. Gentle slope of basilica lava flow. You can find them in Hawaii, Galapagos, afar. Mount Kilauea, Ereda al volcano. And here's an example of a fissure volcano. And there's the spots where you can find them. Volcano dome. Felsica magma, vicious and high on silica. Explosive eruption with prislactic flows at subduction zones. There's a dome shape of rhyolite and dactite. Ring of fire, like Chile, USA, Japan is where you find them. Chalasian volcano, 2008. Mount St. Helens, 1980 are different eruptions. And there's an example of one that erupts. Notice all the ash. This is the Ring of Fire, where you find a lot of those. This is a cinder cone volcano. Mafic magma, low in silica, high in gas. Lava ejected from a single vent with lapilli and lava bombs at subduction zones and hotspots. A steep consilical hill of tephra. USA, Mexico, and Italy is where they can be found. Also Oregon Butte, Parachin Stromboli. Here's another example. Here's what they look like. Composite or stratovolcano. Felsifica magma, high in silica, high in gas. Explosive eruptions with prislactic flows at subduction zones. Also island arcs, high and steep. Contains layers of proslalic ash, molten lava. The Ring of Fire again. Chile, Indonesia, and USA. Mount Pinatubo, Mount Merapi. So Ring of Fire. Here's some examples of them. Caldera volcano. Felsica magma, high on silica, high on gas. Explosive eruptions with prislactic flows at subduction zones. Also island arcs. Collapsed magma chamber. Ring of Fire again. Island arcs, Russia and Indonesia. Centauri, Mount Merapi. So Russia, Indonesia are some spots where you'll find those. Here's some pictures. Those are the 6 types of volcanoes.